Greetings, fellow creators and aspiring affiliates. It's great to have you back on our channel. If you're a YouTuber looking to monetize your content and earn some extra income, then affiliate programs might just be the perfect fit for you. Affiliate partnerships offer you the chance to earn commissions on successful sales generated from your content. But where do you start? How do you find the right affiliate program for your channel? How do you integrate those links into your content without overwhelming your viewers? Don't worry, we've got all the answers for you. In this video, we'll take you on a step-by-step journey, starting from researching the best affiliate programs for your niche and audience, to creating engaging content that seamlessly incorporates those affiliate links. We'll share some insider tips and tricks, real-life examples, and practical advice that will make your journey into the world of affiliate marketing much easier and more enjoyable. We'll do it all in a friendly tone that will make you feel like we're just hanging out and chatting about your latest video idea. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this exciting adventure of turning your views into commissions and taking your channel to the next level. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for additional resources to guide you along the way. Research and choose relevant programs. If you're a YouTuber looking to explore the world of affiliate programs, it's important to take the first step with care. Just like picking the perfect movie for a cozy night in, it's all about finding the right fit. Imagine your channel is a garden, and you're selecting seeds to plant. You want to choose affiliate programs that align with your content like bees to honey. Take the time to research programs that offer products or services that resonate with your audience. It's like curating a playlist for a road trip. You want each song to keep your listeners engaged and excited. To get started, consider what your viewers love about your channel and seek out programs that complement that vibe. If your channel is all about tech reviews, look for affiliate programs offering the latest gadgets or software. If you're a beauty guru, find programs with skincare or makeup products that your audience will swoon over. Remember, it's not just about the products, it's about how well they mesh with your content and audience's interests. Before committing to any program, take a peek behind the curtain. Check out reviews, see what other YouTubers are saying, and make sure the program's values align with yours. It's like choosing a dance partner. You want someone who can keep up with your moves and groove to the same beat. Join affiliate programs. Congratulations on finding those shining stars in the affiliate galaxy. Now, it's time to take the next step and join those programs. Think of this step as RSVPing to the hottest party in town. You want to make sure you're on the guest list. To begin, head over to the websites of the affiliate programs you're interested in and look for the Join or Sign Up option. This will be your entryway into a world full of opportunities. Once you've found that option, fill out the application form with your details. Think of it as introducing yourself at a fancy dinner party. Share your name, email address, and channel information like you're mingling with new friends. While filling out those forms, don't be shy about showcasing what makes your channel unique. Highlight your content style, audience demographics, and why you'd be a perfect fit for their program. It's like writing a love letter. Pour your heart out and show them why they should choose you. Remember, first impressions matter, so put your best foot forward and let your personality shine through in those applications. Ensure that you are giving detailed and relevant information about your channel. Talk about your audience, the topics you cover, and what sets you apart from other channels. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the affiliate program to understand why you'd be a good fit. Agree to policies and guidelines. If you're interested in pursuing affiliate marketing, it's important to take some time to familiarize yourself with the terms, policies, and guidelines of the affiliate programs you're considering. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to succeed in this field and avoid any potential pitfalls. Each affiliate program has its own unique set of rules and requirements that you'll need to adhere to maintain a successful partnership. It's important to approach this like studying for a test. You want to make sure you have a solid understanding of the rules of the game before you start playing. One crucial aspect to pay attention to is the commission structure of each program. This can vary widely from one program to another, so it's important to understand how you'll be compensated for your efforts. Additionally, you'll want to be aware of any promotional restrictions or guidelines related to how you can promote the products or services you're affiliated with. Just like learning a dance routine, it's important to understand the do's and don'ts of each program you're involved with. This can include things like specific language to use or avoid, how to properly disclose your affiliation, and other important details that can make or break your success as an affiliate. Receive unique affiliate links. Congratulations on being approved as an affiliate. You've passed the first hurdle and are now the proud owner of a set of unique affiliate links that can potentially unlock doors to earnings. These links are like keys that allow you to access commission paradise, and they are incredibly valuable. When you receive your affiliate links, make sure to keep them organized and easily accessible. Think of them as a treasure map that will lead you to the gold. Keep them safe so you can easily access them when needed. Remember, these links are your secret weapons in your marketing arsenal, and they are specially coded to track clicks and sales generated through your promotions. Apart from being tracking devices, these links connect your audience to the products or services that you're promoting. Whether you're sharing them in video descriptions, social media posts, or blog articles, make sure they stand out and are easily identifiable by your viewers. These links are your gateway to earning commissions, and it's essential to use them wisely. Ensure that you're promoting products or services that are relevant to your audience and that you're providing value to them. With the right approach, these links can work their magic and turn clicks into commissions. So, hold on to those links tight, take good care of them, and use them wisely. With a little effort and the right approach, you can potentially earn a substantial income through your affiliate marketing efforts. Integrate links into your channel. If you're looking to monetize your YouTube channel, incorporating affiliate links into your content can be a great way to do so. However, it's important to do it in a way that doesn't feel spammy or disrupt the viewer experience. To begin with, consider where and how you can incorporate these links organically into your videos. One popular way to do this is by including them in your video descriptions. This gives your viewers a clear idea of the products or services you're promoting and allows them to follow the links if they're interested. You can also mention these links verbally in your videos or showcase them visually on screen during relevant segments. This serves as a subtle reminder to your viewers that they can find out more about a particular product or service. When it comes to integrating affiliate links into your content, it's important to strike a balance between promotion and authenticity. Think of it like adding sprinkles on top of an already delicious cupcake. You want to enhance the viewer's experience, not overpower it. Create high-quality content. Affiliate marketing is a great way for YouTubers to monetize their content, but it takes more than just promoting products to make it successful. Creating high-quality content is essential to stand out in the crowded digital landscape and keep your audience coming back for more. To achieve this, you must think of your content as a gourmet dish served at a 5-star restaurant. It must be well-crafted, unique, and offer value to your audience. Your videos should be engaging and informative, and leave viewers wanting more. When promoting affiliate products or services, you should approach it as a storyteller. Take your audience on a journey, highlighting the unique features of the products and sharing how they can enhance their lives. Be authentic and enthusiastic in your presentation, and your viewers will be more likely to trust your recommendations. It is essential to focus on providing value rather than just selling. Think of yourself as planting seeds of knowledge that will bloom into trust with your viewers over time. The more genuine and authentic you are in promoting these products, the more likely viewers will trust your recommendations. Track results and optimize campaigns. Tracking results and optimizing campaigns in the realm of affiliate marketing is akin to being a skilled captain navigating the vast seas of opportunity. Just like a seasoned sailor relies on maps, compasses, and stars to chart their course, as a YouTuber delving into affiliate programs, you need to rely on data, analytics, and insights to steer your campaigns toward success. Imagine yourself as the captain of a ship, setting sail on uncharted waters. Your tracking tools are like your trusty compass, guiding you toward your destination, in this case, maximizing your affiliate earnings. By monitoring key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, sales data, and average order value, you gain valuable insights into what's working and what's not. As you sail through the affiliate marketing ocean, think of optimizing campaigns as adjusting your sails to catch the most favorable winds. Analyzing the data you've gathered allows you to fine-tune your strategies, refine your messaging, and target your audience more effectively. It's like trimming the sails to sail faster and smoother towards your goals. Just as a skilled navigator adjusts their course based on changing conditions at sea, you too must adapt your campaigns based on real-time performance data. Experiment with different approaches. A/B test your content and keep a keen eye on trends to stay ahead of the curve. Conclusion. Alright, folks, let's wrap this up like a present on Christmas morning. In this roller coaster of a video, we've taken you from being a YouTube star to an affiliate marketing maestro. It's been a journey filled with laughter, insights, and more tips than a magician's hat. First off, we talked about researching affiliate programs like you're hunting for buried treasure. Find the gems that match your channel's vibe and audiences like peanut butter and jelly. Next up, we joined those programs like VIP guests at a fancy party, filling out applications with pizzazz and showing them why your channel is the place to be. Then, we dove into the policies and guidelines like detectives solving a case, understanding the rules to keep your affiliate ship sailing smoothly. After that, we received those precious unique affiliate links like keys to a treasure chest, ready to unlock commissions galore. Integrating those links into your content was like adding sprinkles to a cupcake, enhancing without overpowering and guiding your viewers towards those must-have products. Creating high-quality content became your specialty, serving up videos so good they'll keep coming back for more. All while subtly promoting those affiliate products. Dear viewers, we hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how to succeed as a YouTuber in affiliate programs. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share with your friends. We wish you all the best in your journey towards knowledge and success. Keep shining.